the craziest animal water park day ever.
Water park day! Don't forget the sunscreen.
I already brought 17 towels.
Welcome to Story Nanny. Laugh, learn, and dream.
In the middle of the bright green jungle stood the biggest water park in the world, Splash Jungle Water Park. Every animal had been waiting all year for this special day. Monkeys wearing sunglasses, zebras with rainbow swim tubes, penguins carrying ice cream, crocodiles in flower shirts, and even tiny ducklings wearing matching goggles.
Yay! Let's go to the picnic! My ice cream is so yummy! Alright everyone, hop on the picnic bus!
Coming! This will be the best day ever!
The water park giant gates opened.
Everyone rushed inside. The first ride was called the Spinning Tornado of Doom.
Spinning Tornado of Doom!
Of doom. Of doom. Last one there's a sleepy snail. My head is in one slide and my body is in another. 3, 2, 1. Splash Jungle Water Park is open!
I've waited all year for this!
Let's make a big splash!
Whee! So much fun!
Best day ever! Yeah, let's go again! Free snacks!
Splash! Everyone crossed into the giant pool together. After hours of rides, everyone got hungry, so they visited the mega ice cream mountain.
Why am I vanilla flavored?
Next came the lazy river.
Finally, a peaceful ride.
Animals floated slowly on tubes under palm trees. Birds sang softly. The sun
Finally,
sparkled on
a
the water.
peaceful ride.
Everything felt calm, too calm. Suddenly,
Oh no!
Momo secretly splashed everyone. Then everyone started splashing. As the sun slowly began to set, the animals sat together near the wave pool. They were tired, wet, messy, and happier than ever. The sky turned orange and pink. Nobody looked at rides anymore. They just smiled together. Momo looked around quietly.
You know what? Today was the best day ever. Not because of the slides.
Then why? Because we spent it together.
Happiness grows when we spend joyful time with family and friends. No matter how busy life gets, always make time to laugh, play, and create memories together.
Welcome to Splash Zone! Let's all splash and play! Cool shades and popsicles! Splish splash, what a bash! Water's so much fun! Splash Zone, everyone!
Happiness grows when we spend joyful time with family and friends.
Let's play together! Yeah, this is the best!
No matter how busy life gets, always make time to laugh, play, and create memories together.